Hey Fragcom, Mike here with iSMELL. I want to thank you for checking out the channel today. If this is your first time visiting, I do encourage you to check out my other content. However, if you are a returning subscriber, as I say in each and every one of my videos, yes, I do genuinely love and appreciate the support, you guys. Either way, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell. It'll go a long way to strengthen the YouTube algorithm. Not to mention, it ensures that you're able to stay tuned in to future content that I upload. So today, it's going to be a rather short video. I'm going to be unboxing and providing my initial impressions of a fragrance, which is considered a cheapie Hypebeast within the community. Today, I'll be unboxing and giving my first impressions of Halloween Man X. Let's go ahead and get this thing open, you guys. I'll see y'all on the other side of the intro. I do want to let y'all know that I did order it from GiftExpress. If you're apprehensive about using them as a vendor, just be reassured that I have never gotten anything that was a fake. I've never gotten anything damaged. Shipping is reasonable, and they do provide free shipping. So take all that into consideration when making your fragrance purchase. And no, this is not a sponsored video. We only have one take, so let's go ahead and get to it. Halloween Man X. The box is kind of cool. It says explore your limits. Ingredients on the bottom. Acceptable looking box. Pretty bottle. I believe this is the 3.4 ounce two-tone color bottle with the black to the blue gradient. And it will say Halloween Man X right there. I'm not sure if that conveys. The batch code is on the bottom. Cap atomizer. Does click into place. And this does appear to be something you can hold from the cap, so it is sturdy. Okay, so Halloween Man X is a relatively new fragrance. It was launched in 2019. This is not going to be a full and complete review. This is more of a initial impressions and unboxing video. Okay, so as I stated before, this fragrance has received a fair amount of hype within the community and has become somewhat of a cheapie hype beast. As I get prepared for autumn and winter, this is one of the fragrances and one of the scent profiles that I wanted on my shelf. Notable notes, according to Fragrantica, should include coffee, tonka bean, a boozy note, which is whiskey, amber, and cinnamon. That's what I'm anticipating to smell upon my first spraying, so let's find out. And it will prime a couple times. Atomizer is acceptable. Wow. Immediately what the impression I get is UltraMel. It's a very sweet fragrance. It is a little boozy. It's not too heavy of a fragrance. Yeah, UltraMel is the initial impression I get from this fragrance. Is it redundant? I don't know. I don't know if it's redundant yet because I haven't gave it a full wearing. However, I do feel that this is a little bit more fresh than UltraMel. UltraMel is a very strong fragrance. That is the first impressions I get. I'm going to also go ahead and spray it on myself. This is a winter scent, a cold weather scent. I do get a chemically, like an alcohol-y smell when I first spray it. This is $30 though, you guys. Smells good. I get the boozy note. And I do get that coffee note. It's not like fresh coffee that you just got done grinding the beans of. Do I recommend it? If you have UltraMel, I'd say no. If you already have UltraMel, I'd say no, this is not a fragrance that you need to buy. But UltraMel is like $80, $90, so you could achieve that with Halloween Man X for $30 to $40. I'm not sure of the performance yet. Again, I'm gonna need to wear a few times once it gets colder to provide a better review. However, for $30, $40, do I regret buying this? No, I don't regret buying this at all. Okay, so my initial impressions are that this fragrance smells like Ultra Male by Jean Paul Gaultier. I have sprayed Halloween Man X on my right hand, and I will be spraying Ultra Male on my left hand just to get a more accurate interpretation. They definitely share a similar scent profile. I don't think to the untrained nose, to the uninitiated nose, they'll be able to tell the difference. So seeing as Jean Paul Gaultier Ultra Male is kind of a harder fragrance to get a hold of nowadays, you can definitely achieve the same vibe and the same demeanor with Halloween Man X. I still find that Ultra Male is more pleasant. I think it's a little bit better blended. This one's a little bit more sharp. This one's a little more sharp. I do find this one to be a little bit more pleasant. Yeah, but to my nose, they're about 80-85% similar. All right, you guys, so that's Halloween Man X in a nutshell. Like I said, I'm going to keep this short and sweet today. I do have a couple tag videos coming down the pipe, so stay tuned for that. Shout out to Tyler and shout out to My 2 Cents for keeping me in the loop. I really do appreciate it, guys. If you enjoy fragrance-related content, if you enjoyed this video specifically, I do encourage you to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Until next time, you guys, y'all take care. Stay safe. Bye.